performing sa one of the biggest and iconic venues dito sa Pilipinas?
Siyempre po, sobrang thankful po kami sa Viva for believing in us. Kay Boss Vic po for believing in our talents. And ano po to, stepping stone po namin. We'll get a taste of Smart Araneta Coliseum as a group. And we're so happy and we're looking forward na hopefully one day we'll get our own solo shows. Araneta po. Sana.
Handa na ba kayo sumigaw ng ano? Hello,
Yes,
Araneta
yes, what's
Coliseum.
up, Araneta?
O sample nga, paano na kayo nagre-rehearse for that?
Rabi pa. Asya.
Sige, buong Vivercada na lang.
Oo,
Alright.
buong Vivercada.
So, what's up, Araneta to? Alright. 3, 2, 1, go!
May patikim na sa mangyayaring fan call and grand concert. Thank you so much and congratulations. We look forward to the grand concert.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Alright, we will go back to Miss Ana Pingol. I believe meron siyang follow-up question for everybody.
Curious lang, kayo, busy kayo lahat, no? Pero do you make it a point na mapanood yung mga series ng bawat isa? Like ang mga taga-section iba ay nakapanood na ng mga university series and vice versa. At ano yung mga mas share yung favorite scenes nyo or ano yung favorite yung shows ng Viva One? Na hindi nyo show.
Sige, simulan tayo sa Univercada. Yan, meron pa kayong mga napanood na shows. From Viva One as well. Yes, Marco?
Why am I always the first one? Pero kasi, you know, yun niyo po sa akin. Okay, I'll stand up. On try? Okay. Look, I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't able to watch the other shows, but I did see clips of like the main scenes that were coming out. I saw Rabin with the red hair at the time. I saw him with his group in the scene where they were gonna get in a fight with Frost. Remember dun sa Muntianang section, di ba may away kayo? Yeah. Angas niya. And the story before that scene, si Frost parang pabatak siya dun. 1 month, dire-diretso siyang gym. But yeah, I mean, I saw a few clips of the other shows as well, even of the new one that you have. I saw Ashton kulit dun sa show niya. It was nice. I mean, it was nice to see that everyone, especially as well with Ashton, that we've worked in the past before, and to see how much you have done now. How proud. And then, I mean, I was able to watch the other university series. I'm currently watching the one with Lance and Aubrey now. Oh, can I just add one more thing? I will post it later, and I will show you later. But I don't know what you did to Lance, but every time we're together and he's quiet, he's literally just re-watching your TikTok edits, you guys, on TikTok. I'm like, dude, you're with us. Halika na. He's thinking about you all the time.
Yes, Nicole. May mga napanood ka na bang other shows aside from...
Tumuro ako sila naman. Diba?
Ano?
Yes, I actually have. And so, wala yung pagkasabi lang kasi ni Marco. Parang ang tanda na namin. Kasi nakakatuwa po talaga. It's like we've seen, sa halos sabay-sabay kami nag-start. Pero magkakasunod po. So nakakatuwang makita na nagsasama-sama na yung journey namin halos parehas mga girl group, ganyan. So, kumbaga nakakatuwa kasi nakaka-proud na all of us na Viva artists talaga by the end of, you know, everything, talagang we all get to experience the same thing. And yeah, ako, kinikilig ako na hindi ko naman sinasadya makilig. Kaya sa nag-advise. Hindi ko lang bakit. Pero as in, hindi talaga ako, wala, I'm not expecting anything. So when I do watch, talagang nakakatuwa po. Kasi alam mo yung nakita mo kung saan sila nagsimula at nakakatawa na hindi nagbabago. And I'm very, very proud of everyone.
Same with Nicole, like, ayun, lahat kasi kami, we came from like supporting roles. And now, extra lang, supporting roles, and now we're the Bida. And I'm so proud sa ating lahat. Malayo na yung narating natin. And yun nga, going back sa question, I've watched like all the university series from book 1, 2, 3. Para lang din, malaman ko like how the story goes from, kasi book 4 na namin. And napanood ko some of the episodes ng Ang Mutyanan Section D. And I can say that lahat sila doon very giving. Hindi ko nabasa yung book, pero napang-hook ako sa some of the episodes because really giving yung acting nila and sila yung characters. And one of my favorite scenes, yung kissing scene nila. Hindi, sinabi ko ito kay Ashleen kasi parang nagulat ako na, pwede ka na sa kissing scene, dati hindi tayo pwede sa ganun. But ayun, I'm really proud of her. And yeah, super, super fan of their tandem. And that's it.
Ako naman po, yung pinaka-last na panood ko is yung AOTD talaga. Kasi kilala ko si Aubrey, and nung nalaman ko yung mga scenes doon, sabi ko, Aubrey, kaya mo yan! So inaabangan ko talaga kung paano niya gagawin. And grabe, ang galing at ang ganda ni Aubrey. And syempre,